ॐ खानिलाग्न्यब्धरित्र्यन्तं स्रक्फणीवोद्गतं यतः ध्वान्तच्छिदे नमस्तस्मै हरये बुद्धिसाक्षिणे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। आत्मा is akramadrik, nityah, and pervades all buddhi vikaras. Buddhi is kshanapradvamsini, which takes the forms of shabdadi akara. शब्द स्पर्श रूपादि आकार निर्भासाः बुद्धि. This we saw in 69. Very important concept is given here. Atma is akramadrik. Buddhi is kramadrik. क्रमेण पश्यति इति क्रमदृक्. क्रमपूर्वक. न क्रमदृक्, akramadrik. Akramadrik means there is no krama for Atma to illumine Vishayas. Buddhi can illumine only one Vishaya at a time. Like when Ghata is illumined, Pata is not illumined. So this, I am explaining this Akramadrik Shabda in second line of 69. Tritiya Pada. Nityo Akramadrik Atma. Because this word you don't see elsewhere. Buddhi is Kramadrik. When it illumines one Vishaya, it cannot have another Vishayakar Vritti. When it is Ghatakar, it is not Patakar, it is not Shakorakar, it is not Mathakar, it is not Anyahakar. It is only one Akara at a time. This is why Kramena Vishayan Janati Buddhi. But Atma is Akramadak. So Atma doesn't know Vishayas in Krama. Without Krama, Atma knows Vishayas. This idea is explained further. See in Tika now. Tastarhi ghatadi jnana karena parinamata ityatah. If Atma is avikari, then who gets modified as ghatadi jnana? Ghatadi jnana akarena kaha parinamate? Who gets modified as ghata, pata, etc. It is also jnanam. So he says, evam chasati buddhehe parinamitvam yuktam. So buddhi has parinamitvam, not atma. Evam chasati, because atma is nitya akramadrik ekaha dhiyo anisham vyapnoti iva. Therefore, parinamitva only belongs to buddhi, not atma. आत्मनः समस्त द्वैता संस्पर्शित्वे सति बुद्धेः परिणामित्वं युक्तम्. आत्मा इज समस्त द्वैत असंस्पर्शी. आत्मनः समस्त द्वैत असंस्पर्शित्वम्. षष्ठी, इफ यू रिमूव
आत्मा समस्तद्वैत संस्पर्शी.
वेरी गुड. आत्मा समस्त द्वैत
असंस्पर्शी.
समस्त द्वैत असंस्पर्शी. आत्मा समस्त द्वैता संस्पर्शित्वे सति. So because Atma is like that, therefore Parinamitva has to belong only to Buddhi. Buddhehe Parinamitvam Yuktam ityartha. Buddhehe Parinamitve hetum aha. In Buddhi Parinamitvam, now it gives hetu. अतीतानागते हत्यान युगपत् सर्वगोचरान वेत्यात्मवन्न धीर्यस्मात् तेनेयं परिणामिनी. अतीतानागते हत्यान युगपत् सर्वगोचरान वेत्यात्मवन्न धीर्यस्मात् तेनेयं परिणामिनी. अतीतानागते हत्यान सर्वगोचरान आत्मा युगपत वेत्ति. ही आत्मवत न वेत्ति. Because in one vakya you can just have, but to separate the vichara, you can have two vakyas. He अतीतानागते हत्यान सर्वगोचरान आत्मवत युगपत न वेत्ति यस्मात् तेन इयं परिणामिनी. Therefore बुद्धि is परिणामिनी. परिणामिनी, परिणामिन प्रातिपदिक is there, so परिणामिनी बुद्धि. अतीत, अनागत, what is the next word?
इहत्य.
इहत्य. इह भवः इहत्य. अव्ययात् त्यप. त्यप प्रत्यय is there. Iha and tyap. Avyayat tyap is the sutra. So iha kaladi jatam. What is there in Vartamana is called ihatya. Atita or the bhuta kala. Anagata is bhavishyat kala. Tika, they have given the vigraha. Atitascha anagatascha ihatyascha atitanagate hatya. Tan atita nagatas नागत इहत्यान. द्वितीय बहुवचन. देन सर्वे च ते गोचराश्च इति सर्वगोचराः. सर्वे च ते गोचराश्च. व्हाट इज द समास विग्रह? व्हाट इज द समास? सर्वे च ते गोचराश्च इति कर्मधारय. दिस इज कर्मधारय समास. सर्वगोचराः. Gochara means Vishaya, all the Vishayas. So Now, what is the meaning in the shloka? Atma knows Atita, Anagata, and Ihatya, all Vishayas. And Atma knows them Yugapat. Atita Vishayas, Vishayas of the past, Anagata Vishayas, Vishayas which have not come, Yugapat, everything. Atma knows everything. He Atmavat Naveti, but Buddhi doesn't know. In other words, when I say I am Sakshi, so I am not Sakshi of what is in front of me right now, in Vartamana Kala. I am Sakshi of all Vishayas of the past. I am Sakshi of all Vishayas of the present. And I am Sakshi of all Vishayas of Bhavishya also. Anagata Vishayanam Sakshi. Now somebody will say, Atita Vishaya Sakshi, to I can understand because I at least know that I knew what was there in the past. Ihatya Vishayan Sakshi, I can understand. Anagata Vishaya Sakshi, how will I understand? Vishayas have not come. I am going to be Sakshi of them. Or I am already Sakshi of what has not come. Ghata, which is not Utpanna yet. How I will be Sakshi of such Vishaya? So it is Anutpanna Vishaya. Anutpanna Vishayasya Sakshi. Vishaya which has not come to Utpatti yet. So I am Sakshi of all of them. A different way if you want to understand. A Ghata, when it is not known, Sakshi illumines that. When Ghata becomes known, Sakshi illumines that also. So Sakshi illumines both. Ghata which is Utpanna or otherwise. Really speaking, the Sakshitva that we understand that I am Sakshi of someone or something is different. Sakshi is like Surya. Suryo yatha sarva lokasya chakshu. Like that, Atma is sarva lokasya chakshu. Prakasha. So, Atita Vishaya, Anagata Vishaya, everything is illumined. Everything will be known only to Sakshi first. Then, if Tadakar Vritti is there, Pramata will know, not otherwise. So, this, why I am emphasizing so much on these 2 points. One is Akramadrik. Second is Sakshi of Atita, Anagata, Ihatya, Sarva Vishaya. So that when I say I am Sakshi, what should come to my buddhi is this understanding. Not that I say I am Sakshi, I am Sakshi. I am Sakshi of 4 objects which are there in front of me and 2 people which are there. I am Sakshi of everybody. That is not Sakshi. Simultaneously, Yugapat, it illumines whole Brahmanda, means all 14 worlds, all jivas, starting from A Brahmastambha Paryanta. That is Sakshi. Those who don't do Shravanam, how will they know what is the understanding of Sakshi? They will have some idea, erroneous idea they will have. With that, they will say, I am meditating on Sakshi. So already so much limitation is there. And then in that error, then they say, I have been meditating as Sakshi, but nothing is happening. Nothing will happen. This is why Shravanam, lot of Shravanam is required. And like if this concept has to be explained, you cannot explain some of these things when somebody is studying Atma Bodha and basic granthas. If they evolve, their thing has become mature, then only these concepts can be imparted. See Tika, बुद्धिरात्मवद युगपद यस्मान्न वेत्ति तस्मात् क्रमद्रष्टृत्वाद् इयञ्च परिणामिनी इति क्रमवत् कतिपय सिद्ध कार्य दर्शनानि दर्शन अन्यथानुपपत्त्या क्रमवत् कतिपय परिणामः कल्प्यत इत्यर्थः. बुद्धिः आत्मवत् युगपद यस्मान्न वेत्ति. Buddhi does not know things like Atma. Atma knows everything, Yugapad. Buddhi doesn't know like that. Buddhi will know Vishaya. Atma will know Buddhi and Vishaya. So Buddhi will do Prakashanam only of Bahya Vishayas. For Atma, Bahya Vishaya Prakashanam as well as Buddhi Prakashanam. But Atma cannot illumine Bahya Vishayas directly. It will illumine that through Chidabhasa only. Ghata cannot be illumined directly by Atma. But without Atma, Buddhi cannot know Ghata. So, Paramparaya Sakshi illumines everything. Jnatatvena, Ajnatatvena va. That Atma I have to meditate. This is who I am. So, Chintanam of Atma should be done in this way. Tasmat Kramadrashtritvat. Buddhi will be Kramadrashta. It will see things one at a time, one after the other. Maybe it is so rapidly, going so fast, but only one thing at a time. Iyam cha parinamini, therefore buddhi is parinamini. Iti kramavat katipaya siddha karya darshana anyathanupapatya kramavat katipaya parinamaha kalpyate. Kramavat katipaya siddha karya darshana, that happens. I see one object, second object, third object, like that. So karya darshana, this would not happen. Anyathanupapatti. Kramavat katipaya parinamaha. So in buddhi, kramavat parinama kalpyate. Kramavat parinama, if it was not there, kramavat karya darshana would not happen. Kramavat karya darshanam is happening. Therefore, kramavat buddhi parinama kalpana is done. Some knowledge of something, then something, then something, in this way. So most of the time when I identify with buddhi, and I am not able to separate myself from buddhi, then all the modifications of the buddhi, I say they are mine. I say means I don't even know that there is anything else. Separating myself from this buddhi is what is required. आत्मनः पुनर्दर्शन श्रवणादि विक्रिया रहितस्य दर्शन श्रवणादि विक्रियावत् अशेष बुद्धि साक्षित्वम् अपि सिद्धम् इत्याह ततश्च इत्यारभ्य श्लोक पंचकेन अपश्यन् इति. आत्मनः पुनः दर्शन श्रवणादि विक्रिया रहितस्य, आत्मा is free from darshana shravanadi vikriya. Atma doesn't have any of this. Darshana shravanadi vikriya vat ashesha buddhi sakshitvam. Darshana shravanadi vikriyavat will be what? Buddhi or Atma?
Buddhi.
Atma.
Buddhi.
Buddhi. Darshana shravanadi vikriyavat is buddhi. This is what is matu pratyaya. Darshana shravanadi vikriya wali बुद्धि. दर्शन श्रवणादि विक्रिया रहित आत्मा. These points are for vivek between atma buddhi. You can make a big list now. Atma is avikari, buddhi is vikari. Atma is drashta, earlier we saw. Buddhi is drishya. Atma is sakshi. Buddhi is
Sakshya.
Sakshya.
here. Atma is akramadrik. Buddhi is kramadrik. In this way, you can do vivek. Atma is ekaha. Buddhi aneka. In this way, Atma is swayam prakasha. Buddhi is paratah prakasha swarupa. So, bhed, the more we know this, better we will be able to do viveka. In sadhana chatushte, when it is said you should be having viveka vairagya, that viveka is for this purpose, that I should be able to do buddhi, I mean atma buddhi viveka. Anatma means this buddhi, or buddhi means ahankara. This is yushmat asmat too. So if I am able to pay attention there, then only I will be able to do viveka. Then to the extent I have vairagya towards anatma. Anatma means my own buddhi vikara. To that extent, I can be Brahmanishta. I can be sthita pragya. But if I give importance and reality to my own mind, my own buddhi vikara, then, and I want to remain sthita pragya also, both cannot happen. So the moment you will give reality to all those things, you will have to dance according to your mind's tune. Mind will make you suffer there. So this portion now, buddhi sakshitvam atmanaha siddham. Atma is Sakshi of this buddhi which has Darshana Shravanadi Vikara. This is explained in 5 shlokas from 71 to 75. Tatasya etat siddham. Therefore, this is siddham. Apashyan pashyatim buddhi mashrunvan shrunvatim tatha niryatno vikriyo niryatno vikriyo nicchantim chapyaluptadruk. That last word is chap, not chya. Chapyaluptadruk. Apashyan pashyatim buddhi mashrunvan shrunvatim tatha niryatno vikriyo nicchantim chapyaluptadruk. So, what is the nature of Atma and Buddhi? Why he said 5 shlokas? Because the Kriya Pada is only in 75. So in 75, the last word is Chaturtha Pada, if you see, Sarva Deheshu Pashyati. That Sarva Deheshu Pashyati, you have to connect everywhere. So just see the Anvaya. Sarva Deheshu Pashyati, you keep in mind. Pashyati, Kaha Pashyati? Karta will be Atma. Atma Pashyati. Pashyatim buddhim Atma apashyan Atma sarvadeheshu pashyati. Tatha shrunvatim buddhim, then
Ashrunvan Atma Sarvadehishu Pashyate. Shrunati.
Pashyati only we can keep. Pashyati because Atma is illuminator. That Pashyati at the end of 75 is illumines. Janati. So, Shrunvatim buddhim ashrunvan atma sarvadeheshu pashyati. Then, avikriyo niryatnaha. These two are just visheshana for Atma. Icchantim buddhim anichan Atma aluptadruk Atma sarvadeheshu pashyati. So for Atma, 3 visheshana there. Niryatnaha pashyati, avikriyaha pashyati, aluptadruk pashyati. Niryatnaha, without any effort. There is no kriya involved. There is no yatna involved, let us say. Avikriya means there is no kriya. Sahaj prakasha rupa bhagavana. Bhagavan is Sahaj prakasha rupa. Sahaj. That is niryatna. Avikriya, there is no vikara. And aluptadruk. Aluptadruk, nahi drashtur drashter viparilopo vidyate. Avinashitva. It is avinashi. So never there is a time when Atma does not illumine Buddhi. Who will do Ichha? Buddhi will do Ichha. Icchantim Buddhim. Anichan Atma. Atma doesn't have Ichha. So you see, in Nyaya Darshan they say, what are the gunas in Atma?
Buddhi,
हाँ हाँ, tell.
बुद्धि सुख दुख इच्छा द्वेष धर्म अधर्म प्रयत्न संस्कार
Prayatna is done. Buddhi, Sukha, Dukha, Ichha, Dvesha.
धर्म अधर्म
Hmm.
संस्कार.
So here, if you see this, good, this shloka, he says Buddhi doesn't have Yatna. I mean, not Buddhi, Atma. Atma doesn't have Yatna. Atma doesn't have Ichha also. Anichan, Niryatna. And no Kriya. Atma is Avikriya. So all Nyaya Darshana Khandanam is also done. And they say Atma is Jada. Here it is said Atma is Alupta Drak. Is a Drashta whose Lopa is never there. Now like this, in next 4 shlokas, he is going to give more of these. Where we should pay attention is to these things. That the, okay, Pashyanti, what is the Rupa Pashyantim Buddhim?
Shatru Pratyaya.
Shatru Pratyaya Strilinga. Pashyantim, Shrunvantim, Icchantim, they all are Shatru Pratyaya Rupa and then Dvitiya, Ekvachana. So Darshana, Shravana, Ichha, Vikara, all of them are in Buddhi. In the next shloka he says, Dvesha is also in Buddhi, not in Atma. Atma is Advishan. So Ichha, Dvesha, we say Raga, Dvesha, Ichha, Dvesha are not in Atma, according to Vedanta. Kopa. Let us see one more shloka. Dvishanti madvishannatma upyantim chapya kopanaha nirdukho dukkhinim chaiva nissukha sukkhinim api. Dvishanti madvishannatma upyantim chapya kopanaha nirdukho dukkhinim chaiva nissukha sukkhinim api. So Dvesha, Kopa, Sukha, Dukha. So 3 more. Nyaya Darshan they say Atma hai Dvesha, Sukha, Dukha. But Bhagavan has said in Trayodasha Adhyaya, all this is in Kshetra. Ichha, Dvesha, Sukham, Dukkham, Sanghata, Chetana, Dhritihi. Etat Kshetram Samasena. So all this is Kshetra. Dukha, Dukkhinim, Buddhim. Nirdukho Atma Sarvadeheshu Pashyati. Sukhinim Buddhim Nissukha. Atma doesn't have Sukha. Somebody will say Nirdukha Atma, I can understand. Nissukha Atma also means this Vaishayika Sukham is not there in Atma. This Sukham here refers to Pratibimba Ananda. Atma is Bimba Ananda. And Dvishantim, Buddhi has Dvesha. Atma is Advishan. Atma cannot have Dvesha with anyone. Kupyantim, Buddhi has lot of kopa, gets very angry. Atma is Akopanaha. Sureshwaracharya coins words also. Akopanaha, Atma. So this Viveka, to see Anatma as different, Buddhi as different from myself. This is Chintanam. This is Nididhyasanam. So if a person can do this effortlessly, they will never have sorrow anymore. If this cannot happen, then you should do more Shravanam, Mananam, Nididhyasana. Because that sahaja, yatra yatra manoyati, tatra tatra samadhaya, that is not happening. So I will have to put effort. So main things today, akramadrik, Atma doesn't see things one at a time. So I, as Sakshi, I am illumining Brahmaloka also and Patal Loka also at the same time, while I am illumining Ihaloka also. And whatever has happened in the past, so many Brahmas came and went, I illumined all of them. So many Jivas with so many Namarupa, I illumined all of them. I am illumining all of them now, and I shall illumine all of them as long as in my buddhi Sarvadeha is there, Sarvadeheshu. So buddhi will illumine only with one Sukshma Sharira, whatever Karanas are there. Atma will illumine all. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.